Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by establishing reliable conditions: sleep, hydration, and quick grounding. Why? Because stress habits amplify when your body is depleted. Once you have a baseline mood rating from 0-10, spend 5 minutes on box breathing and a short body scan to notice sensations. Then name one emotion aloud. Labeling reduces intensity. Make sure to log the trigger and rating so you can compare progress. This immediate start prevents analysis paralysis and gets your nervous system into learning mode. Once you've stabilized the baseline, attack the core patterns. You do this by catching a thought, offering 3 alternative interpretations, and choosing one that's useful rather than true. Then interrupt automatic loops. Use a 10-15 second physical cue, stand, breathe, change posture, and insert a deliberate action. Keep a short micro-journal each day. Trigger, thought alternatives, chosen response, and result. Over time, these repeated rehearsals rewire associations. Repetition plus reflection is how new emotional habit. To finish, embed the work into routine so changes persist. You should schedule 3 weekly rituals: a short practice, a review session, and an accountability check-in with someone. Gradually scale practice from 5 minutes to 20 minutes and reward consistency with small treats or free time. If progress stalls, troubleshoot by isolating the bottleneck. Is it time, motivation, or an emotional trigger? Make one corrective tweak. For example, shorten sessions or change timing. That targeted fix usually restarts momentum.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.